श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय कोटिसूर्यसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। वन्दे मातरम् अम्बिकां भगवतीं वाणीरमासेवितां कल्याणीं कमनीयकल्पलतिकां कैलासनाथप्रियां वेदान्तप्रतिपाद्यमानविभवां विद्वन्मनोरञ्जनीं श्रीचक्राङ्कितरत्नपीठनिलयां श्रीराजराजेश्वरीं राकाचन्द्रसमानकान्तिवदना नाकादिराजस्तुता मूकानाम् अपि कुर्वन्ति शुणधुनिः नीकाक्षवाग्वैभवम्। श्रीकाञ्चीनगरी विहाररसिका शोकापहन्त्री सताम् एका पुण्यपरम्परा पशुपतेः राकारिणी राजते। Welcome to Vimochana Part 2. At the outset, I would like to thank everyone for watching our first part of Vimochana series, for the immense love and support, and for the wonderful comments that kept pouring in. Thank you very much. We wish that you keep supporting us and keep showing love, and the love and support keeps increasing by the day as we post more and more videos. Thank you. This video is going to be about a Nadopasaka, a Vageyakara of recent times, with whom most of us or almost all of us have shared our lifetimes with. Today, the August 6th, 2020 is his 4th Remembrance Day. Yes, it has been only 4 years since he has merged with the divine. I think you've guessed it right. Who else but Nadopasaka, Mahamahopadhyaya, Shri Vidyopasaka Sreshta, Brahmashri Kollegal Subramanyam Garu. We are going to talk about a kriti, a rare kriti from his repertoire, from his very vast repertoire of 500 plus compositions. This presentation is a humble offering at the lotus feet of Goddess Rajarajeshwari and the great Vageyakara Kollegal Subramanyam Garu. We have heard about the Kamakshi Navavarana Kritis composed by Uthukadu Venkatakavi. We have also heard about the magnum opus of Muthuswami Dikshitar, Kamalamba Navavarana Kritis. Similarly, Kollegal Subramanyam Garu has composed a set of Navavarana Kritis called Lalita Navavarana Kritis. This, unlike the other two sets, covers more aspects of Devi Puja, Shri Chakra Puja, and many more technical aspects compared to the other two. The other two sets composed by Uthukadu Venkatakavi and Dikshitar talks only about the Avaranas in Shri Chakram and how Devi resides in each of the Avaranams. But Kollegal Garu gives more details and takes us in the Raganubhava, Rasanubhava along with him. For today's video, we have taken the Pancha Panchika Devi Kriti, which according to his repertoire and the Shri Chakra Puja is sung and performed after performing the Navavarana Puja, or in this case after singing the Nava Avarana Kritis. So you might be wondering, what is Panchapanchika? This is a very technical and a very specific concept that revolves around Devi Puja and around the Sri Chakra Puja. It is very specific to that aspect. But I will try to convey how much ever little I know. Panchapanchika refers to a group of devatas or goddesses who are 20 to 25 in number. They are located just around the goddess Mahatripurasundari or goddess Rajarajeshwari, who is the main deity, the main presiding deity of the Sri Chakra Puja, and they are in constant service for her. So this Kriti is in reverence of those 20 to 25 These goddesses. 20 to 25 goddesses are divided into 5 groups. I shall quickly read out those names of the groups and then we shall go into listening to the Kriti. The first group is Pancha Lakshmiamba, then we have Pancha Koshamba, then we have Pancha Kalpalatamba, then we have Pancha Kamadugamba, and then finally Pancha Ratnamba. These 5 group of goddesses are around the main deity, goddess Rajarajeshwari or Mahatripurasundari, and are in constant contemplation of the goddess. They always sing her glory and make her happy. Sri Vidya Lakshmi is the Kriti composed by Kollegal Subramaniam Garu on the Panchapanchika Devi. This Kriti is set to Sri Ragam, a very auspicious Ragam, because this Kriti is sung somewhat in the end of the Navavarana Puja. After the Avarana Pujas are done, we sing this Kriti. So, to give a nice ending to the magnum opus set of Lalita Navavarana Kritis, maybe he would have set it to the Sri Ragam. And then a very unique Talam, that is Pancha Jati Triputa Talam. This composition is not very frequently heard in concerts. It is actually a very rare piece that only his disciples sing. Although the Ragam Shri is very common and we have heard numerous compositions in Sri Ragam, right from the Trinity, Tyagaraja Swami, Dikshitar, Shyama Shastrikal, to other composers. We have heard many compositions in Sri Ragam. But this composition is very unique in terms of meaning-filled lyrics and the unique tala structure. So now it's time that we get to listen to the Kriti by Srimati Mridula Ashwin, who has learned this Kriti directly from Kollegal Subramaniam Garu. So now over to Srimati Mridula.
The composition I will be presenting now is of my Pujya Guru, late Brahmashri Kollegal Subramanyam Garu, who was a Sri Vidya Upasaka, and this Kriti is a Pancha Panchika Lakshmi Kriti, which has a position in the Sri Chakra Puja. This is set to Sri Ragam and to a very unique Panchajati Triputatangam. Shri Vidya Lakshmi Sarva Samraja Prada, Shri Vidya Lakshmi Sarva Samraja Pradam, Trishakti Lakshmi Mahalakshmi Smarami, Shri Vidya Lakshmi Sarva Samraja Pradam, Trishakti Lakshmi Mahalakshmi Smarami, Shri Vidya Lakshmi Sarva Samraja Prada, Trishakti Lakshmi Mahalakshmi Smarami, Shri Vidya Lakshmi Sarva Samraja Prada. Shri Vidya Shri Prada Ajapa Shri Matrika, 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 Parajati Rupa Paranishkana Koshamba, Vidya Shri Prada Ajapa Shri Matrika, Parajati Rupa Paranishkana Koshamba, Shri Vidya Lakshmi Sarva Samraja Pradam, Trishakti Lakshmi Mahalakshmi Smarami, Shri Shri Vidya Panchabaneshwari, Shri Vidya Panchabaneshwari, Kameshwari, Shri Vidya Panchabaneshwari, Kameshwari, Kumari Triputa Parijateshwari, Kalpalatama Kumari Triputa Parijateshwari, Kalpalatama कल्पलताम श्रीविद्या अमृतेश्वरी अन्नपूर्ण अमृतपीठनायिका सुधामृत कालरसिका सर्वकामप्रदा कामदुःखाम श्रीविद्यारकामांशि धनलक्ष्मी भुवनेश्वरि राजमातङ्गेश्वरि वाराहि सुब्रह्मण्य जननी श्रीविद्यारकामा सिद्धलक्ष्मी भुवनेश्वरि राजमातङ्गेश्वरि वाराहि सुब्रह्मण्य जननी श्रीविद्यालक्ष्मी सर्वसाम्राज्यप्रदा त्रिशक्तिलक्ष्मी महालक्ष्मीं स्मरामि श्रीविद्यालक्ष्मी सर्वसाम्राज्यप्रदा
Thank you so much, Srimati Mridula, for sharing your music with us. That too for the second time on our channel. And thank you all for watching this video till the end. Hope you all have enjoyed this video and hope you all enjoyed this rare, unique piece from Kollegal Subramaniam Garu's unique repertoire. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you. Namaste.